Up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Axie Infinity. So guys, in this video I'm talking about the price of Axie Infinity. Is the price of Axie Infinity increase in the future or not? A lot of people ask me questions about Axie Infinity, that possibilities that the price will pump or not. Let me know guys, but before starting this video, click the subscribe button now for more updates and news videos about cryptocurrencies market. So guys, first of all, you can see here the currently live price of the Axie Infinity is going increase day by day, hour by hour. 70 USD dollar is the currently live price of the Axie Infinity in the market. Other side, if you talk about the chain is, you can see here, my friends, whole chain is positive except after the last 1 hour. Only and only the last 1 hour changes is negative, and I hope with the passage of time, the changes of the Axie Infinity become positive. Very soon. That is just only the last 1 hour change is negative, and was 1 hour mean last 60 minutes. And guys, after 30-40 minutes the change will again become positive. Absolutely guys, I noticed the Axie Infinity from the 1st August, and still the price of Axie Infinity is going positive. Wow, you can see here on 17 August the price taken a quick jump guys, really a profitable jump now in the market. But you know what guys, a lot of people do a very big mistake on this time. You can see here this time the price falls down, so a lot of people understand it now the falling time of the Axie Infinity starts, so they decide to sell, and that is a big mistake of all holders. Anyways guys, let me know more about Axie Infinity. So guys, you can see here, if we do a technical analysis, so here the price pump and here the price dump. So now possibilities that in the upcoming time the price will take a pump. Possibilities, my friends, we can't say about the future, but 80% chances that the price of Axie Infinity increase in the future. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Axie Infinity? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.